Are you ready to face the world with a fresher or a bigger smile? Well, we are here today with Dr. Brian Smith at Palmetto Dental Arts in Bluffton. And Dr. Smith, it's great to have you on the show with us again today.
I'm happy to be on the show. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for doing this.
And you guys are 100% local.
Yes, that's a question that we get a lot today. We used to never get this question, but in dentistry there's been a lot of consolidation, and so many of the practices are owned by big corporate structures that are not in Bluffton, not even in South Carolina a lot of times. And a lot of these practices, they may have names that are kind of Bluffton-ish names, but they're owned by big corporations and probably don't have, a lot of times we hear that they don't have the same continuity of care that we're able to offer.
Okay, well, tell us about the cosmetic dentistry options that you have right now. What are the newest things?
So one of the questions that I've really been getting a lot lately is my teeth look a lot older than I am. Maybe they're flat or worn or discolored or different crowns, and different dental procedures have been done, and it looks kind of piecemeal. It doesn't look like a beautiful smile. And we're really seeing a lot of changes as far as what can be done and how it can be treated. Oftentimes the wear is a big thing. A lot of times people will walk in and the teeth are just real short, and they'll say,
is that from grinding their teeth?
A lot of times it's grinding. It can be erosion. There are a lot of things that can contribute to that, but people want to change it. It looks very aged is what they say. It looks a lot older than what I am. What can we do?
So describe some of the results that people can get with what you guys do here at Palmetto Dental Arts.
Well, one of the biggest things about aesthetic or cosmetic dentistry is I can do everything right. The dentist can do everything perfectly. And then if they don't have the lab support of the ceramist that can back them up, I hear people all the time say, well, I don't want chiclets, Doc. Well, we're not going to give you chiclets. I mean, what we do is what we call indistinguishable dentistry, and we've been focused on this, or I've been focused on this for probably 17 or 18 years now. And I've been focused on it with a lab, with a ceramist. It's a master ceramist. And so when people walk out of here, we want to hear, wow, you have a beautiful smile, not where'd you get your teeth done? And those are really different.
So Dr. Smith, so they look natural, but how do they actually function?
Well, almost everyone that comes in here asking about cosmetic dentistry has a friend that a veneer's popped off on, or, they all have horror stories. But today, with the materials we have and the procedures that we do, there are no limitations. You can eat, chew, you can bite into an apple, corn on the cob. Those are all the questions I get all the time, but there are no limitations once we're finished.
Dr. Smith, for people who are watching this, who are thinking, okay, I want to give this a try, what is the first step they have to take?
So oftentimes, the way people start this process is we have a couple of different paths, but we have a free consult for cosmetics or aesthetic dentistry. So if someone is considering this, or even if they've been told that they're not a candidate or there's nothing that can be done, the easiest way to do it is just call here, ask for a free cosmetic consult. We're happy to do that. Usually it's about an hour of your time. And we can really map out some different options, and then really what we want from the patients is for them to be able to choose the best option for them. So the easiest way to start this process would be to call 843-815-6500, ask for a free cosmetic consult. We're happy to accommodate that. Also at palmettodental.com, we have a gallery that has quite a few before and afters, so you can see what may match your smile, or at least get some ideas of what we do here.
Okay, so for folks who are interested, just talk to you guys, see what the options are, and then just go from there.
Perfect.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.